GNS Images. Today we are doing an unboxing video.
If you follow us on Facebook, you might have seen we got this model from GT Spirit. So let's unbox this and see what's inside. Okay. So all the GT Spirit models comes in a box like this, and also it has a part number. As you can see, we have GT341. So it's a bit heavy. Let's see what's inside it. Okay, here is the GT Spirit standard box. Comes with satin black and it says GT in gloss black. Also it has the scale written in gloss black too. So in this side you can see the image of the model. So it is GT Spirit, it says GT Spirit limited edition, and this is Toyota Supra GR Fuji Speedway edition. Okay, now let's take this model out. Right, this is a nice model. I think it's really beautiful and heavy too. So let's give this model to the expert in our JNS Miniatures team to take you through all the specifications.
Okay, thank you very much Sachindi for doing the hard part of this video, the unboxing. Now it's my turn to do the fun part, the review and the close-up look at this model. Now before we get on with the close-ups of this model car, let's take a few minutes to talk about the actual Toyota Supra GR. Now the Supra GR was the revival of the Supra in 2020, and Toyota wanted to go with a straight 6 engine. So they worked with BMW and worked on a BMW base and developed the straight 6 3-liter version. And then they came on to a straight 4 2-liter version, which we have here. Now on the straight 4 2-liter version, they did this Fuji Speedway edition, which is a limited edition in Europe for 200 pieces, and the color scheme of this with the metallic white, the red interior, the red side mirrors and the matte black wheels pays homage to the Toyota Gazoo Racing. So this is a really interesting model. And this particular GT Spirit 1/18 scale model is also a limited edition and limited to 1,100 pieces, and this is 800 odd a piece, and it's a beautiful car, beautiful paint finish. Now let's take a closer look at this model. A closer look at this beautiful model. First of all, the paintwork looks absolutely beautiful. The metallic white pearl color paint, and then you get the matte black wheels with red Brembo brake calipers, although the Brembo logo is not there. You get metal finished brushed aluminum kind of brake discs. That's a nice feature. You get the red side mirror caps, and you can see, because this is a sealed model, it's very difficult to see inside, but as you can see, the red seats, the center console, everything is there. So really nice details, and I really love the headlight details as well. And they have actually done a real mesh there, and there's the Toyota logo. Now these side vents are really nice as well. even on the actual car, these side winds are not real opened side winds, so they are fake side winds. So on this as well, that's fake side winds. There's one there as well. Nice door handle, and you got the Toyota Supra badge there. That's a photo etched decal kind of a thing. Nice exhausts. The LED lights there, reflectors there, and then the lights are good detail as well. And then you got the rear windshield with the demister and the double bubble shaped roof there. So overall, it's a really nice model. So hope you guys liked the video and hope you guys liked the photo shoot of this. We got this model down for one of our customers, and he was generous enough to lend it to us and for us to do the review. So thank you very much, Mr. Yadavan. You've been a wonderful customer, and thank you so much for lending this model to us. Over to you.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel. So like us on Facebook and Instagram. See you guys with another video. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.